everybody, it's Kim Hawk, and I'm known as YouTube's fairy godmother of real estate. And what are we doing today?
Well, we're going to be interviewing everybody that's here at the Home Expo.
Yes, my number's 407-808-9845. In case you miss any of the numbers of these wonderful tradesmen that are in town, we can also help you with something called Linger or List. So if you want to go big with maybe adding a bathroom where you think you can't add a bathroom, or if you want to add a garage apartment, Tanya's going to be able to help you with that as well. So give us a call. We hope you enjoy the show, and we'll be back at the end to wrap it up.
We're here at our Home Improvement Expo. We have over 30 vendors and sponsors for your home improvement needs. So if you're looking for a painter, a roofer, a handyman.
And you guys know I have a Monday show on the YouTube channel that we talk about what's coming up in the week. And Liz and her team at Town Hall, what I'm doing is I'm reading their email that goes out so we can all make sure that we stay in the know. So you don't want to miss this Home Expo. I wanted to make sure you got to meet Chris. He is the owner of Cardinal Painting.
Generally, when remodeling a house, garages are often the last thing that comes to mind. And doing an epoxy floor in your garage is a great way to add value and kind of build out maybe that man cave a little bit.
You should give them your telephone number so they can get a hold of you.
Yeah, sure. You can reach me at 689-777-1956. And I'm a Celebration resident.
Wonderful. We love that.
We're representing Whitt Furniture today. We've been in Orlando since 1947, and our selection here is all Amish-made furniture out of Ohio that we carry. It's fully customizable. We do different colors, different shapes, different sizes. We can build it your way. The outdoor poly is very durable and very comfortable.
Let's show some of my favorite pieces. Look how beautiful this is. You're not going to find this anywhere. And then for Celebration, you know how much we love our Celebration porches. I know I've got a lot of people out there in Central Florida that are looking for this type of wonderful product. You can always call me at 407-808-9845, and I will put you in touch with this wonderful family. We've got Exquisite Lawn Services, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You want to tell us a little bit about your company?
Yeah, we've been in Celebration for close to 15 years. We purchased Exquisite Lawn Care. Before that, it had been owned by two other people, and I believe it's one of the oldest companies in here.
So this expo, I want to say there's over 30 vendors that are here, and it's because of Brian. He's the one that really has been promoting it, encouraging it. And obviously, when you need your landscaping done, you want to make sure that you call Exquisite. What's your telephone number?
407-719-5944.
And I'm standing here with my favorite electrician. I was just remembering a great story because for about 5 years, we created a pirate ship in the town of Celebration. We had over 5,000 children that would show up at that pirate ship. But I remember the day that Navin came up from Novtech, from our electrician, and said, "Hey, can I do anything to help you?"
Yeah, I remember.
And you made it major. We went from a pirate ship that was cool to a pirate ship that had music playing. With our YouTube channel, we do concentrate on that 25-mile radius around Cinderella's castle. So if you need Navin and Novtech, it's just not in Celebration as well. You're going out to Windermere, you're going to St. Cloud, right?
Up 429 there to Winter Garden.
Winter Garden.
Champions Gate, Reunion, Hunters Creek, that kind of deal, yeah.
Absolutely. Claremont, right?
Claremont, yeah. Definitely.
So give them your number once again, if you don't mind.
There it is, 407-739-2779. And like always, NavtechElectrical.com. Everybody knows where to find us.
Absolutely.
All right, thank you.
He's the best. Thanks.
Thanks,
Navin. I have one of my favorite people that does insurance. She owns Celebration Point Insurance, and I know a lot of you have had questions in the past about where to get your quotes and everything. You want to give a call to Irene. What's your telephone number?
Telephone number is 407-566-1133.
Thank you. I am here with my favorite hardware store. I go up there quite a bit. I'm doing everything from making keys as a realtor to sending people up there to get their paint. Benjamin Moore paint. I bet 90% of Celebration has Benjamin Moore paint. Is that right, Hans?
Yes, they do. They really love the hardware store and they love the quality of the paint.
We have a website called WeFixCelebration.com. It has a list of all the local handymen, painters, or anything you would need to have to get done on your house. So any of those folks on there will help you with any of your needs.
My name is Dave, and I'm the owner and founder of Handymania LLC, one of the region's leading handyman company here in the local Orlando area. You can reach us at 321-848-3141. And we do everything from ceiling fans to garbage disposals, trim work, all of that.
As many of you know, in Island Village, if you want new construction, you got to make sure you see Jen. Jen, you want to tell us anything?
Yeah, so right now, Kim, we're finishing out our first phase back in Island Village. So it will be one of 4 phases. Right now, we're down to our largest series that we have available. So we have homes with 2 owner suites. We have homes with garage apartments, 1 and 2 bedrooms for extra rental income if you like. And we have homes that have owner suites on the main level. All of the homes back up to the conservation area. So it's fantastic yard space if you want to have some outdoor living, for a pool, for animals, for children, whatever. We have some great options left. Just 12 remain in the first phase. And if you want some information on the next phase coming up, that'll be in about 12 months. And you can get registered with Kim, and she can keep you updated as we continue.
Yes, we have many people that are very happy back in Island Village. Can't wait to talk more about it. I was just in a friend's house, and you did the most beautiful painting of kitchen cabinets. I know some people get a little concerned about, can that be done well? Let me tell you, it can be done very well when you get with John. You want to talk about what you do?
I take the kitchen cabinets, sand everything down, clean them, prep them really good. I spray them right in your house. You could pretty much get a whole new kitchen for a fraction of the price. It's 407-988-6091.
Give them a call, and if you have any questions, you can also get a hold of me, and I'll make sure I get you with John. And I'm standing here with a longtime friend, Eric Stout. He is the handyman that can pretty much do anything. Does you want to give your telephone number?
Sure, 407-427-4984. And you're killing it. You've been around here in this town forever, and you're always doing great work. I mean, you do a lot. And you give back. That's what I like.
Thank you.
You give back.
It's an honor to have you as a friend.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Make sure you give him a call.
And we presenting right now the Hurricane fabrics. It's going to protect your house. They hold 265 miles an hour impact. Call us at 407-219-6900. Like this, we can give you more information. So go to your house, sit down, explain everything. And like this, you can cover your house and your family.
When you see the truck go around, it's called Painting My Life Away, because we concentrate on the 25-mile radius around Cinderella's Castle. So if somebody's watching out there that's in Windermere or Dr. Phillips, are you willing to go there?
Yes, ma'am.
Want to give everybody your phone number so they can get in touch?
407-908-3671.
Thank you so much for watching us. So make sure that if you do have enough equity and you want to make some improvements, that you contact us, because we can help you and get you connected with the right person that's going to see and evaluate how much equity you have in your home and how many improvements you can make, which is super exciting. My phone number is 407-818-5851, or any one of us at the Near Disney team.
Yes, we've been having a lot of our Realtor Dream Team out here today. It's been hopping. There's music playing. Everybody's inside. It's packed. Please make sure you subscribe and like to our Near Disney YouTube channel. Make sure you check out Tanya's videos too. If anybody's speaking Spanish, she definitely has you covered. And we even have incredible people on our team that speak Portuguese for all of our Brazilian friends. Hope you have a great day.
Have a great day.
Bye.
Make sure that you subscribe and like so that we can continue to give you up-to-date information on all things that are going around the 25-mile radius of Cinderella's Castle, because this is truly a magical place to live.